Did you know that animals have unique and funny habits depending on where they live? It's fascinating to see. Let's explore the cutest ones together. In Australia, quokkas are always smiling. These little furballs love to pose for selfies with tourists. In Japan, Shiba Inu dogs love to sit by doors and greet customers like professional shopkeepers. Canadian beavers take home building very seriously. Some even build dams bigger than houses. Swiss cows wear huge bells so farmers can hear them from far away. It's like a cow orchestra in the fields. In Thailand, some elephants love to paint. They create colorful masterpieces with their trunks. Which animal habit did you find the absolute cutest? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.